Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's recipe is an egg special. Now I'm sure there are a lot of egg lovers out there and you all enjoy all my egg recipes. So today is another recipe I'm going to show you. It's egg keema. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. Take a white saucepan, add 1 tablespoon oil. To this add 2 onions chopped, 2 green chilies chopped. Saute till the onions are a nice golden brown color. To this add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And 3 chopped tomatoes. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Next add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. Once the tomatoes have become nice and mushy, add a little water. Close and cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. So the masala has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. 3 boiled eggs. I'm going to grate one by one. Quickly mix it all in. Next, garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Close and cook for about 3 minutes on low flame. The egg keema is ready. So there you go. It's such a simple dish that you can make and you can have this with either chapati, you can have it with rice, you can have it with anything or even with bread. So do try and enjoy this lovely egg keema. You can buy my online Indian cooking classes on 21frames.in/classes.